So now let's go ahead and give this more of a details view. So we're going to go ahead and change this to a table. And we're going to get rid of some of this data here. And we're going to go ahead and say we want the patch policy name as our group. And then we'll go ahead and add the rest of our details. So you can see here, now I've got each of my devices. We might then add in the compliance status and the compliance percent, so somebody looking at the details can see just how compliant is the device. We could then go ahead and fill in some additional details. What are the total number of applicable patches? How many are applied? How many are not applied? And now we have the compliance status details. So we'll change that to compliance status details. We'll go ahead and save this as, put it in the same place, only this is now the compliance status details, and it shows a table that shows the details of compliance, and we'll save that. Now we're actually going to turn this one into a report because we want to go ahead and provide a little bit more formatting on this report. So let's go ahead, now that we've created the report, go to the repository, and we'll open up that compliance status details report. And just to make it super easy for somebody to see, again, we'll keep the percentages here. Which devices aren't compliant? We're going to go ahead and just do some conditional formatting real quick. So we'll click here, go to formatting. We'll then say conditional formatting, and in the details rows, we'll say if there's something that says not compliant, let's make it bold and red so that people see it right away. We'll say OK, and now you can see the not compliant pops. So we'll go ahead and save that, and now we've got that details report that we can use. So we'll come back here in a minute and look at how we can use the other topic.